How to write to an Excel spreadsheet using Python. I need to write some data from my program to an Excel spreadsheet. I've searched online and there seem to be many packages available: XLWT, Successive, OpenPixel. Others suggest writing to a.csv file, never use CSV, and don't really understand what it is. The program is very simple. I have 2 lists, float, and 3 variables, strings. I don't know the lengths of the 2 lists, and they probably won't be the same length. I want the layout to be as in the picture below. The pink column will have the values of the first list, and the green column will have the values of the second list. So what's the best way to do this? I am running Windows 7, but I won't necessarily have Office installed on the computers running this program. I wrote this using all your suggestions. It gets the job done, but it can be slightly improved. How do I format the cells created in the for loop, list 1 values, as scientific or number? I do not want to truncate the values. The actual values used in the program would have around 10 digits after the decimal.
Use dataframe.to_Excel from Pandas. Pandas allows you to represent your data in functionally rich data structures and will let you read in Excel files as well. You will first have to convert your data into a data frame and then save it into an Excel file like so. And the Excel file that comes out looks like this. Note that both lists need to be of equal length, else Pandas will complain. To solve this, replace all missing values with none.
For more explanation, this URL.
XLRD/XLWT, standard Python does not have this functionality in its standard library, but I think of XLRD/XLWT as the standard way to read and write Excel files. It is fairly easy to make a workbook, add sheets, write data/formulas, and format cells. If you need all of these things, you may have the most success with this library. I think you could choose OpenPixel instead and it would be quite similar, but I have not used it. To format cells with XLWT, define a style and include the style when you write to a sheet. Here is an example with many number formats. See example code below. Tablib, powerful, intuitive. Tablib is a more powerful yet intuitive library for working with tabular data. It can write Excel workbooks with multiple sheets as well as other formats, such as CSV, JSON, and YAML. If you don't need formatted cells, like background color, you will do yourself a favor to use this library, which will get you farther in the long run. CSV, easy files on your computer are either text or binary. Text files are just characters, including special ones like new lines and tabs, and can be easily opened anywhere, e.g. Notepad, your web browser, or Office products. A CSV file is a text file that is formatted in a certain way. Each line is a list of values, separated by commas. Python programs can easily read and write text, so a CSV file is the easiest and fastest way to export data from your Python program into Excel, or another Python program. Excel files are binary and require special libraries that know the file format, which is why you need an additional library for Python, or a special program like Microsoft Excel, GNumeric, or LibreOffice, to read/write them.
I surveyed a few Excel modules for Python and found OpenPixel to be the best. The free book Automate the Boring Stuff with Python has a chapter on OpenPixel with more details, or you can check the Read the Docs site. You won't need Office or Excel installed in order to use OpenPixel. Your program would look something like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking